Hello.
Hello.
Welcome to the Checkouttherileys. Today we're gonna learn a couple word of Tagalog.
Oh, no.
Why?
Because I don't want to.
Come on. Hey, come here. What is this, baby?
Eyes.
In Tagalog is
Mata.
yeah. What about this one?
Hello.
Very good. You remember. What about this one?
Mama.
The ears. Tenga.
Emma.
Yes. Tenga. Say tenga.
Emma.
Say tenga, tenga, tenga.
I don't want to say that.
Come on. Tenga.
Daddy.
Tenga. Say tenga.
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 Point to tenga. Where's the tenga?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, good job. Hey, what's the Tagalog word of water?
Too big.
Very good. What about Tagalog word of what?
I know.
Yay! Good job. What else do you know about Tagalog, baby? What? What about that one? What is that one? What's the tongue?
Tongue.
Yeah. What's the dila?
Dila.
Yeah. Dila, dila, dila.
Dila. Dila. Dila.
Tenga, tenga, tenga.
Tenga. Tenga. Tenga.
Mata, 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 mata.
Mata. Mata.
Very good. Ilong, 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 ilong.
No. Alone. Alone.
Yes.
Alone.
Yeah.
Alone.
You point the mata, mata. Say mata, 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 ilong. Mata, 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 mata.
No.
Mata, 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 tenga.
Tenga.
Yeah, that's a game. You know, we had a game like that. Huh? You wanna try?
But I have be done there.
Yeah. Hey, come here. Where's the mata? Mata. Where's the ilong? Where's the dila? Where's the tenga? Say thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching. And like this video, like this video, like this video.